Holy Communion and the Lord's Supper among other name in Christian rite that's considered sacrament in most. What happy and ponsi Eucharistic kang thira pharman Karbiang Long West Karbiang Long la pen NC hela long kedoan Catholic atum chingrum si diphu rong khelan pen rong tharve an procession kedam padopon. Bangso annual Eucharistic procession of Harman Ketalon Panalong Diphu Diocese Bishop Paul Matekat, Father John Timung, Father Thomas Maripurat, Lapen Father Zekaria Mandikhatara, Father Joseph Teron, Father Anthony Ingti Nisami Brothers Atum Pendanglok, Pinangan Church along Kiklem Kedamatum Chetong Dunsi, Mayalong RD Chipi Pon. Laso hut Maya long Diphu Diocese Bishop Kaning Jepon ke Catholic ke Kroyara datum ahoga arna maphan chini pen Kroy Thipsi Eucharist kang thira phan kang dukardom lapen hempu aphan Kroy Thipen Sacrament dingdun pamisi ekarjong kachepang thira phan sidami than pon. Hempu ancho det penapi Eucharist kang thir procession bang surike thom so se bang pho bang phiatum Diphu rong khelan pen rong tharve an dam pen mai pajut pon. News report Karbin Long Live.